understanding and addressing teenage pregnancy. So good morning everyone. It is my honor to be your guest speaker in this symposium. Today, we delve deeper into the complex issue of teenage pregnancy, moving beyond simplistic solution and embracing a holistic approach that addresses its root causes and support those affected. This isn't merely about statistics. It's about the lives and future of the young people navigating extraordinary challenges. My aim is not to judge, but to foster a more nuanced understanding and inspire collaborative actions. Teenage pregnancy is rarely an isolated event. It's strictly woven into the fabric of societal structures and individual circumstances. Poverty plays a significant role, creating a cascade of challenges. Families struggling with financial insecurity often lack access of essential resources, healthcare, nutritious food, stable housing, and reliable transportation. This structure can contribute to risky behavior and limited access to education and opportunities. This lack of affordable and accessible healthcare, including reproductive healthcare services, is a critical factor. Many young people, particularly those in undeserved communities, lack access of affordable contraception and prenatal care. This lack of access can lead to unintended pregnancy and increase risk during pregnancy and childbirth. Furthermore, the quality of education plays a crucial role. Inadequate sex education, particularly abstinence-only programs that lack comprehensive information about contraception and healthy relationship, has constantly proven ineffective in preventing teenage pregnancies. Comprehensive sex education encompassing contraception, healthy relationship, consent, and STI prevention is crucial for empowering young people to make informed decisions. This isn't about encouraging risky behavior. It's about equipping young people with the knowledge and skills to protect their health and future. The absence of strong parental guidance and supportive family structures also significantly increases vulnerability. Young people lacking consistent parental support or facing family conflict may be more likely to engage in risky behavior, leading to unintended pregnancies. Now, finally, societal norms and cultural factors influence attitudes toward sex and relationship. Media portrayals often normalize risky sexual behavior, while societal stigma around teenage pregnancy can create barriers to seeking help and support. The consequences of teenage pregnancy are far-reaching and profoundly impact the life of a young parents and their children. For teenage mothers, educational attainment is often significantly compromised. Balancing the demand of the parentalhood with the rigors of schooling is incredibly challenging, often leading to a school dropout and reduced opportunity for future education and employment. This can perpetuate a cycle of poverty, limiting economic independence and long-term well-being. The financial burden is immense, Teenage parents often face significant financial hardship, struggling to provide for their children, while lacking the resources to support themselves. This can lead to increased stress, anxiety, and depression. The health implications are also substantial. Teenage mothers face a higher risk of complications during pregnancy and childbirth, including premature birth, low birth weight, and postpartum depression. Their children may also experience a higher rate of health problems, developmental delay, and educational difficulties. The emotions and psychological tools is immense. Teenage parents often experience feeling of isolation, shame, and inadequacy. The social stigma surrounding teenage pregnancy can further exacerbate these challenges, leading to feeling of loneliness and lack of support. The impact extends beyond the immediate family. Grandparents and other extended family members often bears a significant portion of a child care and financial burden, impacting their own well-being and resources. Addressing teenage pregnancy requires a comprehensive, multi-pronged approach that tackles both individual and systematic factors. Firstly, we must invest a high-quality, comprehensive sex education that goes beyond abstinence only approaches. This program should provide age-appropriate information about contraception, healthy relationship, consent, and STI prevention. They should also foster open communication, critical thinking skills, and secondly, we need to address socio-economic disparities that contribute to higher rates of teenage pregnancy. This involves reducing poverty, improving access to affordable healthcare, and creating support, family, and community environments. Access to affordable and accessible healthcare, including reproductive healthcare services, is crucial. This includes providing access to contraception, parental care, and postnatal support. Early intervention programs that identify and support at-risk youth can also make a significant difference. This program can provide mentorship, guidance, and resources to help young people make healthy choices. And furthermore, we need to support teenage parents through educational programs, job training, and child care assistance. Providing these resources can help them overcome the challenges they face and achieve their full potential. Family, dismantling the stigma surrounding teenage pregnancy is essential. Creating culture of support and understanding rather than judgment and shame is crucial for fostering open communication and encouraging young people to seek help when they need it. This requires collaborative effort from families, school, healthcare providers, community organization, and policy maker. Teenage pregnancy is a complex societal issue demanding collaborative actions. It requires investment in education, healthcare, and social support system. It requires open conversations, challenging societal norms, and fostering empathy and understanding. It's not about assigning blame, but about building a supportive network that empowers young people to make healthy choices and achieve their full potential. Let's work together to create a future where every young person has the opportunity to thrive, regardless of their circumstances. Thank you.